Every trader has that one chapter they don't talk about. Not the blow-up, not the revenge trade, not the panic exit. I'm talking about the chapter where they believed they were invincible. This is the story of a rookie, a trader who won every trade, until the market taught him the lesson he avoided the most: risk management. His name was Alex, 26 years old, new laptop, fresh broker account, and a confidence level that didn't match his experience. He started exactly like many new traders do. He opened NQ, saw candles moving, and said to himself, "How hard could this be?" He took his first trade with zero stop loss. Price went slightly against him, then exploded in his direction. He made money. Second trade, same thing. Third, fourth, fifth, all winners. Alex didn't think he was lucky. He believed he was talented, born for this, chosen. He didn't know yet. Every winning streak creates a future losing streak in the shadows. Alex began scaling up, fast. Micro lots became minis. Minis became multiple minis. His account grew quicker than his skill. He bragged to his friends. "Trading is easy. I can't believe people lose money doing this." He started waking up early, rushing to his screens with a smile. He didn't analyze. He didn't journal. He didn't plan. He just clicked and watched profits roll in. He thought this was skill, but in reality, he was trading in a trending market during a forgiving volatility cycle. The uptrend made him look like a genius. But genius without discipline is just delayed destruction. One morning, Alex opened his charts, but something felt different. NQ wasn't trending. It wasn't smooth. It wasn't predictable. It was choppy, slow, indecisive. But he didn't care. He won every trade before. Why stop now? He went long, price dropped. He held. No stop loss, just hope. Price came back near his entry. Alex smirking. "See, I always win." Then he doubled his size, because why not? The market had always rewarded him before. But chop turns into something worse. Reversals. Fast ones. Violent ones. The candle flushed downward. His unrealized loss ballooned. His heart rate climbed. But Alex refused to close. It has to come back, right? Then another candle. And another. He added more size, trying to fix the trade, trying the worst strategy in trading, averaging down without a plan. Within minutes, his account dropped more than he made in a week. His brain left logic. His hands shook. Every candle felt like a punch. He whispered, "This can't be happening." Then a small bounce appeared. Hope. He added again, tripling his position. And that's when NQ did what it always does to arrogant traders. It liquidated him. Account blown, confidence shattered, reality delivered. Alex stared at the screen, a negative number he couldn't comprehend. All those winning days, all that confidence, all those mornings feeling unstoppable, gone in one session. He felt sick, not from the money lost, but from the truth he could no longer escape. He never knew how to trade. He only knew how to win without responsibility. And winning without responsibility always ends in devastation. Alex didn't quit. Pain woke him up. He started reading, studying, watching seasoned traders talk about psychology, drawdown, stop-loss placement. He heard something that stuck in his mind. A trader without risk management is a gambler moments away from extinction. He finally understood. His early wins weren't a blessing, they were a trap, an illusion, a false identity. He needed rules, boundaries, a system. He created his first real plan. Max 1 to 2% risk per trade. Stop loss placed before entry. No adding to losers. pre-session analysis, emotional reset breaks, daily drawdown limit, weekly loss cap, monthly review rituals. He transformed from an impulsive clicker into a structured trader. He went back to the charts, but this time he expected nothing. No certainty, no ego, no "I always win." He took his first trade with a stop loss. The trade hit the stop. Old Alex would spiral. New Alex whispered, "Good. Controlled loss, that's trading." He took more trades, some wins, some losses. But for the first time, his account curve looked healthy, stable, predictable. He realized a revolutionary thing. Winning every trade means nothing. Surviving every trade means everything. He saw the truth. Risk management is the real strategy. Entries are just technique. Months passed. Alex wasn't a rookie anymore. He was calm, measured, disciplined. He no longer tried to win big. He tried to last long. He no longer traded to feel excitement. He traded to follow a plan. He no longer bragged. He journaled. He no longer held losing positions, praying for a reversal. He cut them quickly, confidently. And slowly, steadily, consistently, his equity curve grew. Not parabolic like before, but healthy, sustainable, respectable. Alex learned the greatest truth in trading. Anyone can win when the market is generous, but only real traders survive when it isn't. Winning every trade made him feel powerful, but learning risk management made him unstoppable. Because in the end, trading isn't about being right. It's about being responsible. Not about winning often, but losing well. Not about ego, but longevity. The rookie who once believed he could never lose finally became the trader who understood the only goal that matters: stay in the game every single day.